on for the past week or so, and that has been proof of concept to show how you can integrate ChatGPT directly into XM Cloud. And I think I've done it in a pretty novel and flexible way that hopefully we could build on and turn into something that's very useful for content authors. So the way I've done it is when you click into a text field, I actually show a little toolbar on the bottom with different text prompts, which are fully configurable. I'll show you how that works in a moment. But just to show you the behavior and the effect, if I click rewrite, what it's actually done is called Azure's OpenAI service. That's actually still in preview. I had to fill out a form to get access, but I've built in a service into XM Cloud that calls that and types it out, well, just like you're interacting with ChatGPT. And these prompts are actually pretty flexible. Let me show you how you configure them. So I have this generative AI settings node here, and you can see I could choose what prompts I want. I've defined a lot more, but these are the only ones I wanted buttons for at the time. So you have full control over what displays. And then from a prompt perspective, there's some details around like the name and the description, which will show up as a tooltip. But really what you want to look at is the scenario and the prompt. And this scenario is the one we just ran, right? We wanted it to write like it's a marketing assistant. A lot of the scenario actually came from the docs that I got from Azure AI Studio. So it actually worked out pretty well just in terms of writing. And then I just wanted to rewrite the following content using this content placeholder with the content I have in there already. But you can actually do a lot more, right? So, I mean, summarize, elaborate, right? And we can have different scenarios for things like that. Simplify. But this one, it was one that I just built that I thought was actually pretty cool and useful. Sometimes you have keywords. You want to make sure keywords show up on that page so you could target it for SEO purposes. So I included this keywords field, and I actually updated my template to include this keywords field. And you can see here I have the word Basecamp. So when I type that, I want Basecamp, since I'm on that home item, to show up in the message or show up in the text. So you can have different keywords targeted for every page, and when you use those tools, it'll leverage them correctly. So let's go try that out. So when I click Incorporate Keywords, it's going to run that prompt. And you can see Basecamp's already in the text. Great. And everything's auto-saved as you go through it. And I mean, that's basically it. It definitely needs some polishing. There are definitely some edge cases I've seen that haven't worked. So, I mean, it's a work in progress, but not bad for a first set. The other cool thing I wanted to show you is Azure AI Studio. So this is the APIs that I'm calling that are leveraging the GPT models. And you have the ability here to like upload your own data files if you want that data to be referred to in the messages. You even can define content filters. And like if you want to control like violence or hate type stuff, you're able to do that and configure that as part of configuring your OpenAI data model. So a lot of cool stuff here that you can do and mess with. So that's it. Hope you find this useful. If you want to know more or get access to the code, reach out to me. Thanks.